Hello everyone, today I will be doing a test of the Wheelock MT24 MCW. Well, obviously, it's a horizontal strobed MT, as opposed to the vertical strobe going down here. One interesting thing I think about this alarm, it's a multi-candela version of the MT. Now, I'm not the first person to have this version, but I still think it's kind of cool. You don't really see too many people with the multi-candela version. Today's test will be 15 candela. Let's look at the back here. Here's your candela selection thing. There's the dip switches right there where you set the tones, which I'll be doing in another video, not this one, as I just want to test the horn and the strobe and whatnot. Obviously your terminals, so you could power the alarm. Now you'll notice up here, this was made in 2011. This is a fairly recent alarm, which is kind of cool. First and foremost, I'll activate the strobe. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice and simple. Shut off the lights here. Here we go. Now the strobe's been deactivated, so that's it for now. Now we'll activate the horn. It will be doing horn continuous. That's the factory default setting. That's all I'll do for this video. I'll make another video demonstrating all the tones this alarm can do. So, without further ado, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Alright, now it's time for the horn and the strobe. So, without further ado, here we go. Now to activate this alarm with a pull station, I'll be using none other than the Gamewell Sentry right here. Well, let's just say the Gamewell Sentry is part of an existing system, and this is a retrofit device of some sort. Not sure what it would be replacing. Maybe a light plate and a horn or something mounted on some kind of retrofit plate. But yeah. This would be a retrofit device of some sort. I don't know. I thought it'd be kind of cool to use this thing again. I haven't used it in a while. So, without further ado, let's pull it. Gotta get a wrench. As we would all know, resetting the pull station would not shut off the alarm. You would have to reset the panel first. This is just a test setup, so here you go. Anyways, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed it.